Quad biking is the focus. So what are your thoughts on continuing with the adventure theme?
Could work. Can you tell me a little more about it?
Have you considered a stately home? A grand countryside place, lots of activities.
Is that possible?
There's a lovely place called Hebden Hall, enough outdoor space for quad biking and also an adventure area within the grounds. Would your staff be interested in spending Saturday morning ziplining through the treetops?
They'd love that, I'm sure.
Great. And how would you feel about us bringing in our own caterers for the weekend? Hebden Hall serves food, but it would be better if we could provide a wider variety and better quality, wouldn't it?
Probably yes. That way we can tailor food towards the staff.
No problem. Vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, we've got you covered. And after the meal, what about a chill-out area?
I love that idea. Everyone can really wind down after a busy day. And will we be having a large Sunday lunch the next day?
What do you think about a large buffet instead? A bit more informal, maybe outside if the weather's nice.
Perfect! I love the idea of something more informal.